What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. Another one of my hacks, a DIY, or whatever. So, if you're new to this channel, my name is Vanessa. And, I just recently started YouTube, and I call myself a beauty blogger / lifestyle blogger, whatever. I just really just let you guys in on what I do at home and what works for me, because I am a normal girl just like you. Anywho, today I'm gonna be cutting my hair, you guys. It is 2020 and I'm just gonna say screw it. Not only because I'm going to be starting a new job, and I pretty much have to have my hair up and no makeup on, no nails, no earrings, nothing. It has to be like a clean type of thing. Just for like the safety and security of other people's well-being. So I respect it or whatever. But yeah, I am going to cut my hair, and I don't know how this is gonna go out, you guys. I've been trying to grow this out, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm over it. I have some blonde in here that will not go away, and I don't think I'm gonna cut that short up top. You never know. I don't know how this is gonna come out, you guys. So I'm just gonna go with it because I seen this online and I heard that it's the most effective way. So I took my fiance's like Conair kit, like a razor shaving kit, and it had a fresh pair of scissors and some amazing combs. Don't mind my nails because they're coming off. They're completely already coming off. They have to come off. I'll be on press-ons, y'all. I'll be fronting to the death of me, but it is all good because it is what it is. I could have eyelashes done, so I'll definitely be getting my eyelashes done, but my nails, it was good. I'll probably just do them for like a review if I find a hack or something, but other than that, I'm just gonna have a clean manicure from now on. So just so that I can get my money up. I need this, whatever it takes. The job's a really good paying job. I'll be working the overnight shift, so things are gonna change, but it's all good. So yeah, I seen this hack online, and the first thing they tell you to do, oh my god, is you wanna brush all your hair forward. Like so. And you're gonna see my bald spots, but that's all good. That is all good. So they say to put it all the way in the front of your head. Oh my god, babe! I don't know, you guys. This week was a really strong week for me. I went through a lot of difficult things, and I almost wasn't gonna post any videos, but like Damati told me, the week's not over, so get up on your shit, girl, and get that going. The week's not over. You still have 7 days. I was supposed to be on a schedule for you guys and do it like every Monday and every Wednesday or Thursday. I need you guys to follow me on Instagram. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my information in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, you guys, because I just started building up, you know, my followers and stuff. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys seen how long it was, right? So they say to put it all the way, like literally in the front of your head, literally, like so. And you have to comb it all in place, because if you have bumps, it ain't gonna come out right. And I let Damati cut my hair one time like this, I believe, before, to give myself layers. But I've never done this my actual self, so whatever. I think that this is good enough. And it's supposed to be more forward than that, actually. Literally, you want to take all your hair to the very tip of your head, like so. My hair's already layered, and I cut it like, I don't know, maybe like a week ago. So yeah, something like this. You kind of just want to have it as front forward as you possibly can. And I don't even know why I'm explaining this because I have no idea what I'm doing. It's all good. So yeah, just go with it. In the video it says to like comb it out to the side. Let me show you guys. I'm balding, but I started doing this new technique recently, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. So yeah, oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna cut this shit out of this off. If you could see those damn dead ends. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm about to chop this shit. Yeah, just go for it like so, and I don't know, we'll see how it's gonna go. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna do it at an angle because I'm so scared. I'm just gonna follow this. Oh my god, my hair's already so short, so like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, hold on. I know Damati's like, she is fucking crazy. But whatever. I'm doing it, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, babe. And the music wants to stop. Ah! Oh my god. Holy shit, that is a lot for me, you guys. Yeah, I did it. And I might just do a little more just to like get all these ends right. Oh my god, this ponytail is like so fucking short, you guys. What the freak? I think I just did it. I think I just overdid it with this. Oh my god. Alright, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I literally just chop this off. Are you serious? Whatever. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, it doesn't. Oh my god, you guys. And I'm over here like, it's a lot. It's really not that much at all. Jesus. Let me see how this came out, you guys. Hold the freak up. I will tell you right now. Okay. This is the final thing. And as you can see, I already have layers. But I really am impressed with that haircut. I needed it. so bad. And I keep cutting and cutting, and I feel like I would have to like go like literally, you see where it's at, like right here, short, which I might just cut it again. I'm not even sure yet. But yeah, you guys, that was my DIY cut your hair at home. And I did get off a lot of the blonde and the dead ends, which I really, really need. I am sorry, but I think maybe in like a couple weeks, depending on like the hairstyles and what I have to do with this job, I might go a little shorter, but I don't really look good with like shoulder length hair. Comment below if you want me to chop it off like, what do you think? Oh my god, I would be so like, Damati did cut it this short one time. Like not this short, but something close to it. But yeah, you guys, I needed that haircut. A lot of things are changing in life. It's 2020, and I'm not gonna lie, some things had happened this week which got me a little discouraged about making YouTube, but this is my passion and this is what I love to do, and I'm gonna continue doing it regardless of what anybody feels and whatever anybody thinks. Like, y'all do you and I'ma do me. Family, not family, like, it is what it is. And yeah, I had to snap the freak out of it. Excuse me. And, you know, I don't know, like, I've been fucking getting scared about swearing and stuff, but I have adult viewers, so it is what it is. But yeah, a lot of things been changing, a lot of things been happening, a lot of things been like distracting me from doing what I gotta do. But I snapped out of it and I'm about to start this new job. One thing about me is that I stay with a job somewhere. I don't know where I get it from, how I get the power to get the connections I do, but I be getting the craziest jobs. And this job's right now, nobody was expect me to be working here. I'm just really motivated right now, and YouTube isn't just like my only thing. Obviously, I gotta freaking pay bills. I have a car note, insurance, house, rent, food. So, you know, I gotta get back on my feet. But like I said, everybody goes through a struggle, you know what I mean? And believe me, when you guys think that you're alone, you're not alone. Trust me. It's okay to say, like, I had to be late on this bill, or I had to push this forward for a couple days because of this. Like, it is what it is. You had to do what you gotta do to survive, but just keep getting up and keep moving forward. That's just my opinion anyways. But yeah, I redid my room and everything, and I think I'm gonna give you guys a room tour just so you can see how I made this little villa of mines. And I did it all on a budget, really cheap stuff. You know what I mean? You wouldn't even think. Like, that picture right there, I got from City Trends in like Brockton for maybe like $5. It's literally just a poster and the sticker, wall sticker, Family Dollar. But I redo my house like every couple months. My people will tell you this. Every time they come to my house, there's like a new style or new furniture, new piece of thing going on. I don't know. I always be wanting to switch things up. That's just how I like to be. Even like, oh my god, especially while working, I hate staying with the same job. I'm trying to learn how to be committed to one, but it's like, if you're not giving me what I want, then I'm out of here, which is why I gotta be my own boss at some time in life. Like, I really do. I think that I'm my own boss, and I be trying to be for every manager, any like top dog. Like, I feel like the minute they try to like discredit me from like my type of lifestyle and like where I came from, like, I don't need to deal with this. Like, do you know how quick it is for me to like make a couple dollars? But I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to change my ways and like stick to like being legit. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you like this video, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. I got another video coming before this week ends, and I'm gonna stick on the schedule, 2 videos a week. It's gonna either be Monday or Thursday, or Monday and Wednesday. 2 videos a week. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna do it. Just do you guys. Remember that. Do you. And if you can't afford a haircut, you can't do nothing, get your hair done, girl, flat iron that hair or wash it, put it up, clip your ends, and voila. There you go. A nice layered type of look. You know what I mean? I was really scared. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment below if you want me to cut my hair shorter. Oh my god. And show love, you guys. I would definitely do it for you. If you're doing something, comment below so that I can support you. Or if you have a channel or whatever it is, let me know so I can subscribe. And like I always say, do you, stay true. Nobody's perfect, guys.